Children, today we will be doing the raised option portion of our chapter Little Birdie. Let's start our class. Open your reader book, page number 14. This is the grammar glee portion. Write today's date and this is our classwork. Okay, children? What is the first question? T-I-C-K tick, T-H-E the, G-R-O-U-P group, O-F of, W-O-R-D-S words, T-H-A-T that, A-R-E-R, S-E-N sen, T-E-N ten, C-E-S sentences. Take the group of words that are sentences. Before doing this, let's look at how the sentences are formed. Okay? Children, we know these are 26 letters. These letters are formed a group called alphabet. We know this? Okay, children. With the help of these letters, we can form small words. Okay. It may be 2 letters word, 3 letters word, or 4 letter, 5 letters, 6 letters. Okay. Now, I have taken some letters here. Okay. Like A, B, I, A, M, Y, O. These are letters. I have taken these letters. Okay. With the use of these letters, we can make some words. It may be 1 letter word, 3 letter word or 2 letter word. Like I have taken A. A is a word. Now I have made B-O-Y, boy. This is also a word. And I is also a word. A-M is also a word. With the use of these letters, I have made 4 words. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we have come to know that with the help of the letters, we can make words. Now, with the help of these words, we can make a sentence. These are words. And with the help of these words, we can make sentence. Let's read it. A boy I am. These are group of words. But is this making any sense? Is it giving any complete thought? No. I have to arrange it in a proper way. Let's read these lines. I is followed by am, helping verb. We know this. Am is always used with I. I am a boy. Now I have arranged this group of words in a proper way. And now it is giving a complete sense. That means group of words which make a complete sense. Group of words which gives us a complete thought, that is a sentence. All group of words are not give us any complete thought. These are not sentences. Which group of words gives us a complete thought and complete meaning, that will be a sentence. Okay? Now, look at this sentence. I is written in capital. Wherever we will use I, it always be written in capital. That means I is always will be written in capital. Okay? A sentence is always start with capital letter. Okay? And it will ends with full stop. Now we know the 2 rules of a sentences. What are these rules? First rule is the sentence will always start with capital letter and always ends with full stop. And a sentence should give us a complete thought or complete meaning. It should be arranged in a proper way and should give us a complete meaning. Okay? Let's look at our book. Let's read the first question. I and in, A-I-R air, T-H-E the, B-I-R-D-S birds, F-L-Y fly. In air the birds fly. What we have read? We came to know that a sentence should start with capital letter and ends with full stop. But it has not started with capital letter. But here we have full stop. And the words are in air the birds fly. It is also not in proper order. Okay. It should be written like the birds fly in air. That means this group of words are not satisfying the rules of a sentence. It is not a sentence. Okay. Then we will put here a cross mark. Okay. Next question. I love my country. Country. I love my country. Okay. Here the sentence has started with capital letter and ends with full stop. And it is written in proper order. I love my country. It is giving a complete sense. Okay. Then we will put here tick. Third question. Riya is. Riya is not giving any complete sense. Okay. That means it is not a complete sentence. Then we will put here cross. Okay. Now fourth question. Riya is a tall tall girl. Girl. Riya is a tall girl. This sentence is starting with capital letter and ends with a full stop. And Riya is a tall girl. It is giving a complete sense. Okay. That means it is a sentence. We will put here a tick. This is a lovely jacket. This is a lovely jacket. It is also started with T, capital letter, and ends with full stop. That means it is satisfying the sentence's rule. Okay, this is a lovely jacket and it is giving a complete sense. Then we will put here a tick. Okay, next question. Use the capital letter and full stop wherever necessary. We came to know that the sentence starts with capital letter and ends with a full stop. Okay, then what we have to do? We have to write the first letter in capital and we have to put full stop at the end. Okay. Here second question, we have to write I in capital. I like to eat ice cream. Okay. And what we have to do? We have to put a full stop. Third question. Nitin goes to the market. What we have to do? We have to write N in capital. Nitin goes to the market. And what you have to do? We have to put a full stop. Last question. Mona likes to play in the park. What we have to do? Write M in capital. Mona likes to play in the park. Okay, and we will put a full stop. Completed. Next question, word building. Make as many words as you can from the following word. You have 5 minutes to complete this exercise. What have written here? Elephant. We have to use the letters ELEPHANT. We have to use these letters and we have to make some new words. Okay, let's try. ELEPHANT. ANT and HAT already written here. What Which are the words we can form from it? We can form net. Okay? Net. Net. And we can write 10. We can write laugh. We can write plant. We can make 5 letters word, 2 letter words, 3 letters word. Okay, we can write help also. And what we can write also? We can write here T. Yes, T-E-A. T. And pen. P-E-N. Pen. And we can make T-H-E-N. Then. We can make P-N-E-A-T. Neat. Yes, we can write neat also. Okay, and last we are writing planet. It's a 6 letter word. Okay, children, you know we can make 165 words with the use of these letters. Okay, now let's do next page. Listen and say aloud. You have to put EE or EA sound. Okay, let's look at these words. Green. G-R-E-E-N. Green. N-E-A-T. Neat. A-C-A-T. Seed. K-N-E-E. Knee. P-E-L. Pill. S-E-E-D. Seed. F-E-L. Fill. P-L-E-A-S-E. Please. C-L-E-A-N. Clean. Okay. We have, can you think of any rhyming word for each of the following words? Honey. We can write honey, money. Monkey, donkey. Okay? And here we can write bread and spread. Okay. Children, in this page number 17, in talk time, we have here the use of these and that. We will be reading these lines when we will be doing our grammar chapter, that is use of this and that. That time we will be reading these lines. Okay, you can color this picture. Okay, you can color this picture. Now color the picture. This is your homework. Now turn to page number 18. Writing skill. Look at the pictures and complete the sentences. You can use the following words. Okay. Here we have a story, and these we have to put these words in these blanks. In this box we have some helping words. We have to use these words in these blanks. Okay? Before reading this story, let's look at these pictures. What these pictures are telling us. After this we will read this story. Okay? There is a crow. Crow has a bread. It tries to eat it. Then a wolf comes. Wolf is telling something, and crow also tries to tell something, and its bread fell down, and the wolf took the bread and ran away. This is the story we can see from the pictures. Now let us read the story. Once there was a dash. What was there? There was a crow. He had a piece of dash. He had a piece of bread. Okay? He sat on the dash of a tree. He sat on the branch of a tree to eat the bread. He wanted to eat the bread. A hungry dash saw him. A hungry fox saw him. He said, then what did the fox say? Mr. Crow, your voice is so dash. Mr. Crow, your voice is so sweet. Please sing a dash for me. Please sing a song for me. The dash crow opened his mouth to sing. And the crow, what type of crow it was? It was a foolish crow. The foolish crow opened his mouth to sing. The bread fell down. The fox picked it up and dashed away. The fox picked it up and ran away. Completed? Your homework is you will use these words in these sentences. Okay, children? This is your homework. What you will be doing? You will be coloring this picture and you will be filling these blanks also. Okay, children? That's all for today. Thank you.